Question number 5 of exercise 2.1, they are giving us two equations. Ax plus by equals to 1. Ax plus by equals to 1 and ay minus bx equals to 8. Okay? Ax plus by equals to 1, ay minus bx equals to 8. And they are saying that solution set of this equation, these two equations which is given, because you can see there are four unknowns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four unknowns are there. So, and I've told you that the number of unknown should be equals to the number of equation which should be given to me. But over here I've got only two equations and I've got four unknowns in both equations. So after that they have written that x comma y, which is equals to 2 comma 3, is solution of given equation, is solution of equations. And I have to find the value of A and the value of B. Now, when we are saying the word of this thing, if this thing is the solution of this, what does it mean? It means I can plot 2, which is x, over here in both equation, and I can plot y equals to 3 in both equation. So when I will plot in place of x, 2a, in place of y, 3b equals to 1. Okay? Y is 3. So 3a, x is 2. 2b equals to 8. Okay? So now I have got two equations with two unknown. So I can solve them simultaneously. And I will be using substitution method to solve this equation. Okay? From equation number 2. What is my equation number 2? 3a minus 2b equals to 8. That's my equation number 2. Now in this equation, you can select any variable to get make it a subject. Okay, you can select any variable to make that variable as the subject of this equation, but it is totally your choice. Either make A as the subject in this from this equation, or B as the subject from this equation. But what I always prefer, again, it is not a hard and fast rule, that's your choice. What I always prefer to go with that variable which has got a smaller coefficient. In this equation, whichever have got the smaller coefficient, I will make that one as the subject. It is not a hard and fast rule. It is just a trick which I always use to make my question easier. Okay. So over here, B has a smaller coefficient. So what I am doing, 3a will be written as it is. I am shifting minus 2b on the other side, and I am bringing 8 over here. Minus 8 equals to 2 equals to 2b. This minus 2b shifted over here will become plus 2b, and this 8 shifted over here will become minus 8. Now value of this is being multiplied, so when I will shift it over here, 3a minus 8 over 2 equals to b. B equals to 3a minus 8 over 2. Right? I'm making it my equation number 3. I'm making it my equation number 3. Now, equation number 3 will be plotted in that equation which was not split in the first place. Okay, I have started from equation number 2. This was my equation number 2. From here I have started. So I am going to put my equation number 3 in equation number 1. If I have started from equation number 1, then I would be plotting this equation 3 in equation number 2. So take care of this thing, that in substitution method, whatever equation you are going to choose in the first place will not be used to plot your equation number 3. Okay, so I have started from equation number 2. So I am put equation 3 in equation number 1. Now what will happen? 3a minus b over 2 is equals to b, means the value of b is 3a minus 8 over 2. So what I am going to do, I am going to put this value over here. Okay, in place of this b, I am going to plot this thing. 2a plus 3. Now I will not be writing b. Okay, I will be writing 3a minus 8 over 2. So the whole equation will be in one variable form equals to 1. Right? Simplifying it, 2a plus. First of all, I will try that these two can cancel each other, but they are not cancelling each other. So I can multiply this thing with this thing only with numerator, not with denominator. So 3 3s are 9a minus 3 8s are 24 over 2 equals to 1. Okay, I have simplified this thing. Doing LCM, what is the coefficient over here? 1. Okay, so the denominator is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 1 2s are 2, so I will multiply 2 over here. That will become 4a. 2 1s are 2. So 1 times, so 1 will be multiplied by this, 9a minus 24 equals to 1. Shifting this 2 over here, 4a plus 9a is 13a minus 24. This 2 is shifted over here, that will become plus 2. 13a equals to 2 plus 24. 13a equals to 26. A equals to 2. Because 13 will be multiplied, 13 is being multiplied by a. When I will shift it on the other side, it will be divided. 26 divided by 13. A is coming 2. Now this value of a will be plotted in this equation. You can put it over here or over here also, but it is already in the form where b is the subject. So I am directly putting it put in equation 3. Okay, putting it in equation number 3. So b equals to 3. What is the value of a coming? Value of a is 2 minus 8 over 2. B equals to 3 to the 6 minus 8 over 2. B equals to minus 2 over 2. B equals to minus 1. So it means A and B is coming 2 and minus 1. My answer is correct or wrong. How will I check it? If whatever I have written over here, AB equals to 2 minus 1, is this my correct value or is this my wrong value? So what will you do? You will take these values just for checking. You don't have to show this working. You will put these values in the equation of AB. The equation which is only on in terms of A and B. Over here. Over here and over here. Put it over here. Check it that after solving, is this thing and this thing coming same or not? And do the thing with this one and this one again. Value of AB will be plotted over here. simplified it. If it is 1 on this side and 1 on this side, it means things are correct. In the same way, put the value of AB over here. Simplify it. If on both sides I will be having 8, it means the values are correct. If both equations are getting satisfied. If only one equation is getting satisfied and the other equation is not getting satisfied, then it means answer is not correct. Okay.